So good evening everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So according to the analysis in the last video we have discussed, we have shorted bank nifty below this trend line and this patterns was forming. So I have shorted with a stop loss of this candle side and get a very good point here. And similarly also the HDFC Bank we had also discussed with if it is break 1650 level we also can get a very good target, and I had booked almost 1632 in this range. I have booked my profit with a stop loss of 1657. So this was the result in for today. So let's start with bank nifty and first delete all the levels and start fresh. So in bank nifty it has 44639 where it has closed. So first of all we have to mark the closing level. So if tomorrow if open market flat and break this 44, see first of all see that market is not sustaining in the higher end. Okay, so lost of time market open here, opening gap up, not sustaining. So the trend is possibly the negative. So if market breaks today's low tomorrow, then we can get, go for shorting, and we can get a very good target around below 44,586 with a stop loss of today's closing. We can plan for selling in bank nifty and we will get a very good target around 44,400. In this range we can book our profit. And the second possible target it also can give is 44,259 to 300. In this zone also it can take support. Okay, and similarly if you are planning for buying in bank nifty, if you can also see that this trend line where bank nifty is taking rejections, it has taken rejection multiple times here. And similarly here also today market has faced resistance around 43,900 in this range. So for buying, if you are planning for buying, this zone is very important. Above the breakout we can initiate our trade and plan for long. Okay, and we can book our profit around 45,000 45,100 in this range. And similarly after the breakdown we can go for selling at 44,400 with the stop loss of today's closing. 44,400 to 44,259 will be our target. Okay, this is simple analysis for bank nifty. And let's go to the nifty. Nifty there is no trade has been initiated, so start freshly. So in nifty the rejection zone, similarly like bank nifty, market opening here not sustaining. Now 44,500 520 in this, all these range are now acting as a very good supply zone. Okay, so our analysis will be this zone will be our rejection zone. And now market has the 320 to, in this zone market has tested many times. If market open little bit of gap down here, let me first mark this 320 zone. If market open little bit of gap down here, no, let me mark with the color, so it will be, as it is very important, support. So this is the support. So if market has tested this point multiple times, so tomorrow if market break this level, there are two possibilities. Market can take support and continue its movement to upwards. Then your target will be, you should book your profit around 90, with a stop loss of 300. You can go for buying. You can do a target for 360 to 400. But here are, market can consolidate here, so theta decay can happen if you're option buyer. So the better opportunity will be if market anyhow break this level, we can go for selling and we will get a very good target. The first target will be 240 in this area, and the second target will be this gap also can be traded 191 to 200. After breakdown of this range we can initiate our trade and we will get a very good target. And similarly here also if you are planning for buying, if it is break open little bit of gap up and break this range, you can plan for buy after the breakout of this range, but possibilities are very less. So as it is acting as very good supply zone, so let's see. Our main intention will be breakdown of this range, go for selling with the stop loss of the day high. And if it is break, somewhere open gap up, big gap up in this range, mark the 15 minutes candle high and 15 minutes candle low. Whenever the range will give a breakdown, go for selling with the stop loss of the candle high, 15 minutes candle high, and hopefully you will get a very good target as well. Okay, this simple analysis for nifty. And move towards the nifty finance. Let me first remove all the drawings, previous drawings. So it has taken support around 19,900 in this area. If you see 19,900, it is acting as a support for nifty finance. Our analysis will be very simple. If you are planning for buying, wait, this zone 20,100 is now acting as a very good resistance. You can see multiple times it has taken rejection in this range. So only if market sustain above this level after opening flat opening or gap up opening, if it is break this range, go for buying in nifty finance and book your profit around this zone, around 20,197 200. In this zone you should book your profit. And similarly after a breakdown of 19,900 level, you can get a very good target around this force swing low around 19,810. And the second possible target will be this high around the zone is coming, the level is coming around 19,725 to 700. In this zone also market can come after the breakdown of this range. Okay, so our analysis for Nifty Finance is also very simple. Let's move towards the stocks. So first, SBI, this 588 level has tested multiple times. Now this triangle kind of pattern is now working for SBI in, and if you connect all the high and low, you will find this zone. Okay, so after a breakdown of this level, we'll get a very good target of after breakdown of 588 of this range, we'll get a very good target. The first target will be around 582, and the second target will be around 580 in this area. Okay, with the stop loss of the 589, after 587 2 rupees stop loss, and we will get a very good target in SBI for sure. Okay, so this simple analysis for SBI. Let's move towards the next stocks. Our next stocks is Happiest Mind. Happiest Mind in today it has kind of making trying to take the support from this range. The range is around this area. Okay, so below 978 it has time to make double bottom kind of patterns. And if you also see the RSI, it is taking support from in this range. If it is break this range, okay, 978, then RSI will also break this 40 levels, so you will get a very good target around 965 to 960. Okay, after breakdown of 978 level, you can go for selling. The first target, where you should book your profit around 965, and second target you can go for is 960 in this area. Okay, with the stop loss of today's closing, go for selling. And if you're planning for buying, wait a bit. If it is break 986 level, you can plan for also buy, and somewhere in this range you should book your profit in. For if you're planning for long, after the breakout of this level, W kind of pattern will also can be activated. Okay, this is simple analysis for Happiest Mind. And our next stock is HAL in the daily time frame. First of all, if you see that in the daily time frame, it has taken a rejection from the top, okay, from the all-time high area. And if you move toward the 15 minutes time frame, you will find that it has making bearish pole and flag kind of patterns. Okay, like if you see pole, flag, and if it is can good breakdown, and all this level can be tested for upcoming days. And for the better confirmation, you also can use the RSI. You can connect this low to the high. You will find it has exactly taken support from 0.5 zone. So this is 3816. This zone is very important for us. So tomorrow, below the breakdown of this range, sorry, let me draw that further. So below the breakdown of this range 3814, you can plan for selling the in ETL. The first target where you should book your profit around 37 in this area, 3742 here. And the second possible target here, it is around 3709. Okay, and similarly here also the double bottom kind of pattern also can activate a W kind of pattern if market try to take support from 3814 area. Okay, if market takes support from this area, you also can go for long with the strict stop loss of 3800. Maximum 10 rupees stop loss you have to bear, and you can get a very good target around 3816, the first target, and the second target will be 3876, and third target will be 3900. So there are both side of opportunity. Whatever stocks so far I am discussing, almost all of them have both side potentials, so you can plan according to it. Okay, so this is simple analysis. We can play if market takes support, go for long. If market break this level with a stop loss of 340, plan for selling, you will get a very good target. And the last stocks which I'm going to discuss, that is SBI card. In SBI card as well, there is this triangle patterns is working so far. So here also above this 1315 levels, you can plan for long in SBI Life with a stop loss of 5 rupees stop loss max to max. You can go for maximum. Otherwise, you also can take this 10 line stop loss and go for long. Where you should book your profit, you will get a very good target at 1315 in this area. You should book your profit. And but for selling, I should say here you should wait for selling below this 10 line. There are multiple support are there, so there is no selling for SBI card. Here you only can plan for buying. Okay, so this is the analysis for today SBI card. And that's all for this video, guys. And I have discussed all the levels, and this analysis may can help you for tomorrow. You analyze that and execute the trade as usual. I will share the result, and best of luck for tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye.